we will be showing some combos. Sorry, I did Garo first. Okay. This is the first Garo combo. This is my sensei teach me. Bro, my sensei's combo is hard because the first letter wind and then flowing water, but because dummy is flying, and when the cooldown is done, do the letter. See, it's actually wait. Now let's do the ultimate. Let's crush this man. Okay, let's take it serious. Okay. I don't really like the combo. First, Water Rock Swimming in the final one. When the player dies, when he respawns, I'm gonna use this. This Crush Rock. And use 100 M1s. Bro, that's a the finisher is Crush Rock. Okay. Next combo is the strongest hero. Okay, my sensei never even teach me. Why did I Tagalog? I mean, Saitama combo. So I must throw my combo. Please don't bash. Okay, you're gonna die now, Wix dummy. Uppercut and when the player attacks you, I'm gonna shield and shove. Now do 100 M1s. Front dash. Ay, bro. And do consecutive punch and shove. And do this. Uppercut. And boom. See? Wait, save. Nagbibideo ako! Bakit, ma? Ma! Taas! Okay guys, I'm back. Let's just do it. Let's do my combo until I get my ultimate. Let's just pretend I uppercut him. And we attack. Bro, let's just do 100 M once. And 101 and shove. Okay, well, ultimate. Let's go kill him. You can really not combo with ultimate. You can just one hit him. Okay. What should we do, guys? Should we do counter? I'm sorry, I'm just joking. Let's do serious punch. Bro, nah. Let's serious combo. Nah, bro, flex on me. Okay. Next is destructive cyborg. It's time to kill him. Okay, guys. We won't use the ultimate because I don't combo with ultimate. Okay. Balik bala, blitz shit. Let's just pretend in ignition burst, jet dive, and do 100 M1s until he dies. 10 months in non-blows. And ignition burst. And this shot. Bro, let's just pretend that happened. And the 100 M1s. Okay, next. Oh shit. Oh no, bro. No, why did I freaking join this? No, what the hell? No. Let's just freaking leave. Okay, you guys just wait. Shh, mommy. Okay, let's just wait. Let's just clap before. What should it be next? It is Batman or Deadly Ninja to spam. I'm good using Deadly Ninja. Please be Batman. I do combos with these heroes, but not with Garo because my sensei already teach me one. Okay. No, I'm not gonna join duels. Oh, sheesh. They're the ninja. Okay, this will be fun. I'm not using ultimate because I'm lazy. First you scatter, then flash strike, then you use whirlwind kick, and do 100 sword demons. Okay, when the cooldown is done, do everything you want. I don't care. I don't like to combo with Deadly Ninja because it's spammer. No, what the heck? Bruh. Okay, next. It's Brutal Demon. Okay. First, we're gonna do this. It's really hard to combo with Brutal Demon because I have bad aim. Like Deadly. And when the set up this snowball, and then 100 M1s, and do 100 M1s, and home run. That. Okay, beat down. Ooh! Brona! Let's just do random combos. Okay. Bro, what did it do? It's really gonna be fun when using the ultimate. Let's just backflip. Ooh! Bro, why is it hard to get the ultimate? Nah, did you guys see that? Okay, let's do the combo. Okay, beat down, home run, and grand slam, whole ball, and front dash until you get to the enemy, shield when he attacks, and home run. I'm really powerful with metal, but guys, not gonna lie. To be honest, Hero Hunter and Brutal Demon is my main and my favorite. I'm a sweat using the Garo. So 100 M1s. Oh! Bro, no! Okay. Let's party now, weakest dummy. Are you ready? Okay, first you guys use Savage Tornado. And the enemy run for their life. Use threat difference. Bro, I didn't hit. Or just use brutal beatdown. Make sure to hit every move. And when the enemy attacks, just use Death Blow. He isn't even fighting, so I can use Death Blow. Now the cooldown is threat difference. Savage Tornado. You wanna do, and when the ultimate ends, use every combo I teach you guys. I'm just using random combos. Okay, next is Blade Master. I'm not really a fan of Blade Master. Okay, once again, my sensei teach me how to use Blade Master by defeating him with the crab boss. This is my favorite for crab boss. First, quick slice, and pinpoint cut, and front dash until you get to the enemy, Atmos cleave. And if he attacks, just use split second counter and use 100 M1s. You need to be fast. Okay, and pinpoint cut. See? My combo was My sensei's combo is too strong, that's why my blade is flaming. Let's use accessories. If I hit 150 subs, I will reveal my kills. And if I hit 100 subs, I will face reveal. Okay, quick slice, pinpoint cut, Atmos cleave. Oh, sorry, didn't work. And then axe, just split second counter and do plus M1s. Okay, and use quick slice. Once again, pinpoint cut. Once again, use Atmos cleave. See? Bro's flexing again. No, I won't let that slide. Bro, I think I'm good at this. Tell me in the comments if I'm good at using the Blade Master. Hey, don't forget to subscribe too. Not only comment, but subscribe too. Okay, let's use our ultimate. The brightest of the day, the darkest of the night, and my blade will shine! Atomic slash. Bro, that's all. Sunrise. Bro, what the heck? What about solar cleave? Bro, hurry up. Okay, flexing again. Once again, I'm not comboing. Oh, okay. Let's do the simple combos. Next is the last for the video. Wild Physics, aka Getsumaki. Okay. Once again, my sensei teach me that Getsumaki combo. First, he did the Stone Coffin and do M1's explosive push and M1's, and don't let the enemy stand up or he will make you sleep. Okay, when the cooldown is done, do this and do this, do this. Okay, that's a great combo for my master. I mean sensei. If my sensei is online, like the video. Bro, no, why? Yasol 937 is my sensei. It's pretty cool with combos. Once again, let's do it. Wait guys, I'm lagging. Okay, you don't have to like the video, don't worry. Because you don't even like the video, bruh. I can see your screen. Is it really this hard to get the ultimate, brother? Just do the normal things. No! Okay. Okay guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe.